So business agility and education. Business agility is actually the most exciting topic of everything and really closely related to innovation and continuous improvement. And this is something I'm so excited about myself and something I'm incorporating in everything that I'm doing and my company is doing, and also everything we're doing with clients and all client projects. And it's very much related to business today, to startups, to technology, and really moving very fast. Business agility on its own simply means that a business is positioned and also equipped in a way in order to quickly respond to changes in the business landscape. And this is obviously increasingly important today in order to stay competitive or even be relevant as a business and have any relevant value to provide to your customers. And this is something that we're educating people in. Can be anything from speaking engagements to workshops, or really hands-on looking at what's the tooling on the organization side and what's the tooling on the technical side in order to establish, say, a team that's building a mobile application and a backend in the cloud. How do you establish a small team that can do a lot of stuff within a very short time? So what are the tools, what's the process, and what are the principles behind that? And it's all coming from business agility and agile software development, or agile engineering in general. And these are things that we would be able to, like I said, talk about in presentations, in speaking engagements, in workshops, and also general education on C-level, on engineering level, or whole organization, to really understand what does this look like. So if this sounds interesting to you, you can just click again this orange button up here and book a free call, and we can talk more about business agility and also education. Could be something like a one-on-one with you, with your management, with your team, maybe with your whole organization in different forms. It can be just a presentation, can also be a hands-on workshop, and we can even flow it further into something where we're building a team which is really built on top of these principles. I would be really happy to talk more about this because it's really the most exciting topic for myself. So I'm really looking forward to talking to you very soon. Thank you.